Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up? What up? How y'all doing? Y'all good? Alright. This video is all about my messy twist out. I really wanted like a nice big twist out. Like, I'm trying to get it big, but my hair don't like to go like this. It like to go like this. It's annoying. But this video was sponsored by Melanin Mixx, and they sent me their curl cream, their edge control, and their growth oil. So I use only these products, and I honestly teased out these twists. However, the pieces were so defined. You see that? Do you see those defined curls? Like look at this twist. Thank you Melanin Mixx so much for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate y'all. So first, before we get into this, but I want to ask you guys to subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video. Comment down below. Share this video with your friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. I'll see you guys in my next one. Remember to bloom, because a flower is simply a soul blossoming in nature.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Okay guys, so this is the package that my Melanin Mixx products came in. That's the edge control. They gave me an edge control brush. Okay, they gave me this grow oil, which I'm really excited to use, and the Melanin Mixx curl cream, and this came with a little pamphlet that you saw. So I'm going in with the grow oil, and I'm just using this all over one of my sections of my hair. I did already twist the back, and I'm just doing by sections. So I'm taking that butter, as you can see that consistency. It's really thick, and it smells so good, y'all. Like, I'm telling you. So I'm just putting that through my hair, and then I'm just going to break that part in half and then do a 2-strand twist. Once you get to the end, you want to curl it around your fingers to kind of seal it, and so that once you take it out, the ends aren't, you know, a little frazzled. And you just continue that step over and over. You put that curl cream all over the hair, and then you twist that bottom. So I'm just doing that over and over. The butter is really thick, and I thought it was gonna go on white, but once you get it in the hair, it actually dissolves, or my hair absorbs it. I don't know exactly the science of it, but it does not go in white, and you can smell it, you can feel it in your hair, but you can't see it. So I went ahead and did the other side, being crazy like I always am. So now I'm just gonna pull it back, and I'm just gonna put it in a ponytail just to go to sleep. My hair grows in like a little bit of layers in the front. Never. That's what I need to do. So it's the next day. My hair is nice and dry, and now I'm going in back with that growth oil, because I'm like, no, this oil, we need this. We need growth, sis. We need to grow. Okay. So I'm using that as the oil that I'm using to pull apart my twists. And like any other thing, you just pull them apart. I always pull my twist apart at the root. As you can see, look at how defined those twists are. As I said in my intro, I do not like the fact that my hair does this. I wish I could get those big twists, but I don't know, my hair just doesn't permit it, or my hair just lays flat. Like I can't even fro. I don't know what that's about. So I'm just trying to do something fancy in the front. I decided to do 2 little twists. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pin those down and just play with my hair a little bit more, shape it a little more, make it look nice the way I would actually like it to look. Again, I wish it was like big hair, but we're not gonna get that look because my hair don't provide. Okay. But I will say this, I love this product. You can see how defined these twists are. Even though I'm teasing them out with just my finger, you can see how defined they are. This product, oh my gosh. So I'm going in with the edge control. The edge control is a little bit softer than I'm used to. I'm used to like really harsh, almost like tough jam texture. This is more like a normal edge control texture. kind of like the olive oil edge control, but it did hold my hair for the most part. Y'all know I always tell you I have tough edges, so I did you know, brush them back with the brush that they gave me. And now I'm just gonna, you know, put a headscarf on, excuse me, and, you know, just lay it down, because when you got tough edges like me, you need to lay it down before you go anywhere, sis. So that's it. The edges really laid. I wanted it to be natural looking edges. I don't like all them twists and swirls. It don't look good on me. So yeah, I love how this hairstyle came out. Check them out. I will link them down below so you can try these products for yourself. Yes, Melanin Mixx. Yes, sis, for slaying this look. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.